Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com. Jamaica has confirmed its second case of monkeypox. The patient is a male who recently returned from New York in the United States. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says the patient is in isolation.
Well, there's not much more to say than what was put in the release, that there's a second case. It's an individual from Clarendon and who recently returned from the U.S. This person is isolated and contact tracing is taking place. We continue to advise the public about precautions to take, and to consult a doctor if they have any symptoms.
Symptoms of monkeypox include fever, intense headache, pain, and rash. Persons can minimize the risk of monkeypox by wearing a mask, washing or sanitizing hands, and physical distancing. The first confirmed case of monkeypox in Jamaica was reported to the country on July 6. The patient, who traveled from the United Kingdom, remains in isolation. The Health Ministry is closely monitoring members of his family after one of the close contacts recently began showing symptoms. Our news center was told that regular tests are being done on the family members. So far, the tests are negative.